Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So basically, as you might be able to tell by this title, I've spent £22 on the Litchi app for the DJI Mavic Mini. What I'm going to do in this video, taking an opportunity of some light wind, is to test the follow mode and the active track mode. I'm running this on Android, so let's get the Mavic Mini up in the air and see how it goes. Right, let's get the Mavic Mini up in the air. So we're going to press FPV, so we get the takeoff mode. There you go, we're up. I'm going to spin round. I'm going to give this a go. Now it might struggle because I am facing right into the sun, right? But that is definitely me. Hi, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to switch across to track mode. Then we're going to put a small box on me. All right. That should follow me, but let's see what happens. All right. So. It seems to want to, for some reason, sometimes it wants to revert back. Oh. Right, let's move it back a little bit to keep more of me in focus. Right, so that's me. Let's see what happens. This seems pretty successful, don't you think? Obviously it's not gonna, this is not just on the mode where it's just gonna like track me, so obviously if I come closer, gimbal goes down. If I go further away, then the gimbal then goes further up. So again, let's try and go one direction, then go the other. So, and it's kept up with me, and the other way. Back to our starting point. Interesting. And as you can see, I'm not holding anything. I'm not pressing any buttons. I'm not manipulating the controls whatsoever. So yeah, interesting. So it seems that mode does work. So it's quite windy. So let's get the drone landed. We'll do a little conclusion. Well, what do you think? What do you make of that? First time using the app, and yeah, it works. So the follow mode for the DJI Mavic Mini using the Litchi app really does work. It kept me in focus. It did require a little bit of finesse. It didn't work first time round. I had to have a little bit of a play around with it, but it certainly worked once it got kicked in. I think some of it was down to me and the settings. I'd not really learnt the settings before I'd give it a go. Just thought, I'm in an open field, what else can go wrong? So guys, thank you very much for watching. I have also done a video using the Litchi follow function where the drone can physically fly after you. So don't forget to check that out. Link will be in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up and see you in the next video.